welcome to a new video. So today we are going to unboxing this new toy of Talha. So he bought it today from Shenzhen. So this is called. So this is called what way the dinosaur projection board. Talha, hello, hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay, we are now open this one. Okay.
It's open.
Okay, so first we have to show this one.
Papa,
Okay.
Mama, I want to help.
Okay. So this one we can show like this. So this is called a dinosaur projection board. Is triceratops board. Okay. Projection drawing board, 34 pieces. Okay, so something with the drawing thing, I think this one. Okay, Talha, you can open it.
Okay, I want to help.
Okay, just open from how.
Want to this.
Oh.
Step there.
You have to open the scotch tape first. Okay, scotch tape. So
Yeah,
this one.
slow. Be slow. The one.
Okay, so
From the there. From the this. Slow. No, I want to lay up color guys. Slow.
wait. At first this one. Okay.
Into this. But you did on the okay.
This one I don't know. Maybe this one or this one is for wait. Okay, so this is a snake game.
Yeah, into game.
Snake.
Yeah. Oh.
This Ludo.
I like blue.
Yeah. Okay, so this one is
I
here.
want to this and open it. The 610 dish. Yeah. Wow. You help. What's the thing? Another one. Slow one.
This one is here. This one we can put here. Okay.
Want the 7th color.
These are colors.
Yeah.
And for
Whoa,
dusting.
so look.
No, don't open this one because this one is for the Ludo, and if Mehmet can find it, he will eat it.
Yeah.
So we don't want to give him this one.
I want to this and there.
This is from okay.
There. From there.
This one is here, right? Yeah, how to put this one? I don't know.
You don't want to there. Do there. And look there.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
So this one, but why it's not fixing? I think should be moved. Now it's working. So this light is this one from this light projecting from this one, and there's
I
a
want to this.
magnifier, I think. So it
I want to
increases
this.
this thing.
Pineapple and this.
Okay, at first the dinosaur we can try.
Okay.
So how to this one can we open?
Yes,
How to color this one? Okay.
do this.
Used to color this one like this. Okay, so it's at the edge on the. Give me this one. I can show you. Like this.
Yes.
Only this one.
Yes. Okay, okay.
Okay.
I can do.
Yeah, yeah. Now, okay. Then put up. Now this from this side.
This.
Yeah. There is spikes. Spikes. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Now the eyes. Eye.
Yes.
Oh, this one. No, look great to me. This one is eye. So this one some spikes.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay, so
Now done.
okay, so done.
Now
So
done.
when you stop this
Now
one,
do color.
yay, it's a dinosaur. Okay. Oh, it's also some music is there, but we have to like put three batteries. I put three batteries in this one and then this one. So it's a drawing thing actually, and with this duster we can also remove that one. Okay, so you can put this one. So how many colors are there? It's red, green, yellow. This one is black.
is
It's not
blue.
closed. This one is blue. So five colors. There are five colors. Okay, so they give it to me. I can. Okay, can we attach this one with this? Actually, it's a good thing. If the like one, your child can develop some motor skills. I think because you can follow the picture and you can draw and make colors, so it will develop their motor skill, their fine skills, and also boost their brain function. Okay. So also we have some the ludo. Okay, so we can try at first how many dinosaurs there. Okay, so we can draw this later. Yay! We can erase. We have to like see how many dinosaurs are there and what are the other.
I want to.
Okay. Simply, this one is another dinosaur. Another dinosaur here. So you have to change the like this one. Sometimes change
Okay, let's go.
the position of this
Want to
position
this?
of the
Okay.
this round circle thing, and also this magnifier sometimes to put the exact picture. I can also this one can fine tune little bit. Okay, now it's clear, more clear. Okay, so you can lose it and then have to lose it more. Then we can this one.
I want to choose.
You want to change? Okay.
Yes. I am choose.
It's very okay.
I want to
Yeah,
get.
this one. So after this, you have to this one. You have to round this one. Okay. You fine tune some little bit, but it's a very tricky thing. I don't know if children can do it or not. Okay, not this one. We will try other ones. What are the other pictures you got here? So you can try this one also. I don't know what is this.
They want to this.
Second one is fruits. So this pineapple, apple. Okay, you choose. Change. Show everything. Then we can do later. Grapes,
I want to this.
cherries. Okay. This one. Okay. So it's apple. So we can try another one. Give the other one.
Okay.
This is dinosaur. This is fruits.
Into there.
That one. Oh, okay. You can. Oh, you can put it here. This is very nice.
I want the robot.
So it's also helps the people. No, this one, like this one, no, this one, yeah. So this will also teach the like children to management organize their things. Or it's a alien thing. Okay, it's a ambulance. So a fine tune sound actually. Okay, it's this one. Okay, so it's ambulance. Okay, so alien. It's a plane, aeroplane. It's a balloon. I don't know what this. This is the submarine. Submarine. It's a submarine. Submarine is there's a goes under sea, water, underwater.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, submarine that called. Your excavator.
Yeah,
Excavator. Talha likes excavator so much. Train. Talha also like train. Talha's favorite is train.
I like bus.
Bus also. Talha like bus. It's ambulance. Okay, so there, that is it. I think. Give it to me that Ludo and.
Okay, I want to decision.
Okay, we can close this one. No, not now. The Ludo.
Ludo?
So they give a Ludo here. Snake. They give a also snake.
And this. And this.
And also this thing, but we don't want to play right now with this because we have a another boy, a 16-month old, so he can put this in his mouth, and so that's why we don't want to play right now these things. We will draw these things and organize this. Talha will like uh, enjoy the game, I think. With this he can also learn like the organization, the drawings, and the colors, everything. So our today's video is over because we have to now play with this thing. Talha we like to in drawing, draw some colors here. He likes colors so much. Also like to drawing. So Talha, you like this one?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
So if you like our videos, you please support us by liking, subscribe the channel, and also you can share if you want. Okay.
Yes.
Yay! High five! Yay!
I am like this one.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.